Here's how to turn a photo into pencil sketch. There used to be a tool within Canva called PhotoMosh that had certain properties, and it made converting a photo into pencil sketch very easy. Now that's gone, but here's a workaround. First, I recommend removing any background in your photo. Use Canva Pro's BG remover tool or use free tools online like remove.bg. Then go to PhotoMosh website and upload that image. On the right hand side, click on Solarize and enable it. You can adjust the levels here, like make colorize to 0 and the power to 1, and then adjust the brightness as per your needs. Once it's satisfied, we will take this image back into Canva. You can click on save, but that comes with a watermark, so I'm going to right click on the image and save it, and then import it into Canva. Now inside Canva, click on edit photo and then go to the adjust tab. Here adjust the brightness, contrast, highlights, blacks and whites, sharpness and clarity. Basically these are not set in stone, it's your playground. Adjust all these properties to achieve your desired output, and voila, your pencil sketch will be ready.